my God. Take two. We're back making honey and almond soap. We have some milk. What the hell? Oh, I thought that was the other soap that we made. Don't worry, guys. I was about to say, no, not the goat's milk and honey soap. But anyway, at any rate, I'm sorry, you guys. We're being super crazy right now. I'm trying to get this done. I have another soap that I'm making for you guys today. That's going to be like a little special surprise. So we'll get into that video when that video comes. At any rate, right now, we're making... Because they don't know what it is.
I do.
Anyway, we're passing off some gloves to Shania. Safety first.
You know.
And inside the bucket, we have our base oils. And we also have some kaolin and bentonite clays. We're going to add in here about a teaspoon of some dark brown oxide. Maybe a half a teaspoon. We'll see what the color is going to look like. We're also going to add in a little bit of some white, some titanium dioxide. And we're going to blend this up. Chocolate milk. You gonna move it like I'm lying? Well, let's add in a little bit more. If not, we're just gonna go with it. We'll just flow.
Just do it. Okay. Like Nike, just do it.
Add in a little bit more. So we're going to have chocolate milk, honey, and almond soap. Because this is the color. And it's just going to stay that way. I really didn't know what color.
Make it darker, though.
What color to make it, being that I already have the pumpkin patch. And Shania wants me to make it a little darker. So we're going to add in.
So why not just make it darker than the pumpkin patch?
Because that one... It's just this. So it's not going to be darker. It'll be the same color. So we'll add in like an eighth of a teaspoon. And we're going to mix this up again. If you heard what she said, don't pay attention to it. And we have our goat's milk lye solution here. We're going to dump this in slowly.
Gently. Let me scrape it.
Scrape it, please, Shania.
What was your phrase? Waste not, want not?
That's right. So usually we do a question of the day. What should the question of the day be today, Shania? We forgot to do this during the goat's milk and honey soap, but it's fine. So think about that while I blend this up. She's thinking really, really hard. Can you guys see that? What can you tell anyway? She hasn't said a word. She's been getting on my nerves for hours. And now she's not speaking. Dun, dun, dun.
I got a question.
Oh, this actually doesn't look too bad.
What's the best day of the week to eat ice cream?
Boom. And there goes the dynamite. So that's your question of the day. But for me, it would be every day because I love ice cream every day. So 7 days a week, Sunday through Saturday, because that's actually how the days of the week go. It's not Monday through Sunday. Most of you don't know that. But I'm here to tell you.
The best day of the week to eat ice cream is Sunday.
Why is it Sunday? Because ice cream Sunday?
Yes.
Your joke is so corny.
I got that from my 5-year-old.
Oh my God. Well, only because McKinley said it is hilarious. But if it was just your joke, no.
Girl, she be dying at her old jokes. She thinks she funny.
Oh, she tell those uncle jokes?
Yes. She said, man, I need to hurry up and learn how to read all the way so I can read the comics and tell people my jokes. I said, what your jokes?
So she's stealing jokes from the comics?
Yes.
And then be like, oh, this is mine. Okay. So this
That's actually a nice color.
Yeah. So this is all good and mixed in.
Good in the hood.
We're going to... No, I don't need that, darling. We're going to add in our honey almond fragrance.
So almond.
Yeah, it's so almondy. We need to stop watching Martin. Do you guys watch that? I mean, it's syndicated. They're saying they're trying to bring it back. I'd rather them not.
Yeah, because I think it's going to mess it up.
Yeah, it's definitely going to mess it up. And I think the old shows are way better. Just leave me some nostalgia from my childhood and my preteens. I don't need you, like... messing anything up. All these shows that, and you know what, that can be another question of the day. Like, do you guys like revamp shows like how they brought out Fuller House, and then what's another one that they brought back?
That's So Raven, but now it's Raven's House.
Yeah, like they could have kept that. I just like, don't, Nickelodeon, if you hear me, don't bring back Cousin Skeeter. First of all, I hated that show. I
love Cousin Skeeter.
With the exception of Elmo, I don't.
You know what they can bring?
Dig puppets.
You know what they can bring back? That show. What was that show? Tiny. That's our show. You know what that show?
Calm down. But what they could bring back is Sailor Moon. No, Sailor Moon.
I never watched Sailor Moon. I'm not that old.
Get out of my house. You see, she's so damn disrespectful.
All I'm saying is,
so how does it smell? You like this? It smell good? Smell good, girl? Smell good, girl?
Smell like ooh.
That smells good, girl. All right, so we're going to pour this off, and then we're going to have some more samples for you guys. And this is actually fluid enough this time that we can actually pour. We don't have any oatmeal or anything like that other than the clays that we were adding in here. So, if you don't mind my darling, can you please pass the cups?
You know what's actually really good, though? Because Nick Splat, after 11 o'clock, they call it like the adult hour. And you can watch all of the 90s cartoons, Rugrats, Hey Arnold.
Oh, now see, that was my jam.
Doug.
That was
and
my
these
jam
are
too.
all the original cartoons. No voice changes. No different animation. I be on it. I be watching.
But she know I got OCD and she keep moving my cups around. I mean, I know they fell. But,
I mean, I have OCD also, but it's not really.
They fell, but I'm just saying, you know. So anyway, let's try to get this in here and smear this possible. You guys know I'm a clut, so. First of all, you missed a whole part. Is do 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 do.
I don't think I never even watched the show.
Like that.
You know what?
And then you end it off.
You know what somebody said the other day? They wish they bring back.
Whoever knows what that tune goes to, if you're listening in this video, you get a free sample bar. Just saying. So leave a comment down below. And
so where's my sample bar? Because
I'm not giving you one anyway. If you know what show that tune goes to, leave a comment down below. Whomever is the first to leave a comment will get the free sample. And just to let you know, guys,
so if I pick up my phone and I go
super decadent. So if you pick up your phone and you try to figure it out, the
video's not posted yet. I was about to say, so if I'm the first comment, you gotta give me one.
and I'm gonna know, and I'm not gonna give it to you because you cheated. You see this? See, that was bomb. Okay, so we weren't able to do this the last time, but just to smooth it out some, we just shake it.
Come on, don't spill.
I'm not gonna spill it. It's like it's leaning.
It's
still leaning, but it's fine for now. So we're gonna put these
on this chair.
Yeah. Or you put it on top of here.
That's where it fell from the first time.
Damn that. So we're going to put those to the side. Straighten that one out, please. I don't know why I was leaning like that. We're going to put those, sorry, we like disappeared. Put that to the side, and then we're going to pour off our samples in this container here.
I'm going to scrape it because
Shania wants to scrape.
I like scraping.
So, like I told her before, waste not, want not. Don't waste none of my soap. Make sure my pot is clean. And we will be back once we mix up the piping for the cupcakes. And we'll show you the embeds and everything like that. So, thanks again for hanging out with us. We'll be back in a jiff.
Don't ever say in a jiff again.
I can say in a jiff if I want to. No, it's not. Okay, bugs, we are back for the unmolding of our honey and almond cupcake soap. These, I didn't intend for them to be all brown, but it's still cute. I did a little gold mica dusting on top while it was still wet. The honey pot embed was made with soap dough, and then you can't really tell, which is why I didn't want it to be all brown, but you'll have that. The little top piece here is a melt and pour almond, if you will. And these were a little bit looser than the goat's milk, oatmeal, and honey cupcakes. So this one should be a little smoother for the takeout, which it is. So this is how this looks. And they smell delightful. So I'm happy about that. So I have to, the next time I do cupcake soaps, I won't do a full milk. I'll do a partial milk. Because I am soaping at a water discount anyway, or a liquid discount rather. So the fat in the milk tends to speed up the trace portion of our soap. But these are beautiful. I'm very proud of myself. I've been trying to come into my own with the artistic realm. I wasn't sure of, you know, what I could do, what I wanted to do with certain things. And as I said, I made that soap dough. I've made some before the hot process way, and this is my first time using any soap dough for cold process. They both come out basically the same for me, but I'll say that I do prefer the cold process soap dough better. And I might be coming around to liking cold process soap as well. Although tired, even though I was tired yesterday, which was Tuesday, September 11th, unfortunately, I was able to get a lot done. Two of my soaps, the last one, the Halloween one, that one, and the goat's milk, oatmeal, and honey cupcake, those two, the piping is my body butter recipe that I actually made into a soap. So the tops of those are super decadent. Not to say that these won't, but this one is just what the base of this soap is. So it's all one soap. I didn't use a separate recipe. And there's no need for you to use a separate recipe. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just wanted to try it out to see, you know, how I would like it different. But for certain soaps, I'm going to continue to do that just to make them a little more decadent. So there you have it. I'm done talking you to death. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. I will answer everyone back at my earliest convenience. And also, don't forget, name that tune. Tell me what show it was from, and one of these will be yours. Thank you again for watching. Talk to you guys soon. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time,